People, welcome back to the channel. Now in this video I want to showcase here, that if you had many more good people in Jamaica who can help the elderly, who is in hardship and in need, when them own family don't even pay them no attention or even can help them, if them can, some of them choose not to and neglect the elderly in them family. But on the young people, I want to know this: once a man, twice a child. Now what I mean by that? You have to remember, say, when you're born, you're a baby and you grow up and you become a man or a woman and them things there. But when you get older and can't do for yourself, then become back a child in an elderly state where family members who really care for you will be there for you and remember the good that you have done in your lifetime while they was young and you were younger, and them show you back that love. Well, give thanks to this businessman, Mr. Owe, who him and him friend them team up and donate this house to this lady. Feel me? Yeah. She lose her house in a fire, and family members who could have helped her don't even look on her. Feel me? Yeah. And that's why I wanted to highlight this video here to you, the viewers and subscribers who are watching this video. And I hope that you have some compassion and an heart. And it's all about helping, That doesn't mean you can't help everybody at the same time. But you see, as long as you can help, it's always a good thing. And for all the people them will help, God bless keep and hope you will be able to help some other people as long as you can do it. Feel me? Yeah.
You get where? You get your house. Yeah. What if you can shake it? It's a brand new house.
Brand new house.
Brand new.
Brand new. I feel very good. Yeah, I think. You know, when I come, I'm not over here.
First came across Sonia's story on social media. A friend of mine pointed out to me that she's in desperate need. Our house was burnt down. She was looking after her grandson at the time, so we decided to come on board and see how best we can help her. First was trying to restore the house, but we ended up buying her a brand new house. So here we are now today. And today marks it to 1 year. 1 year to the day she lost her house.
I just went on the social media and asked her help. Finally, I saw a gentleman come the following year. Asked me what name Mrs. Sonia said. He said, okay, Mr. Owe want you to come to Kingston, where I will reach out, and I really surprised. I really surprised that this gentleman never know me, no nothing about me, and they have children, they have family, and they don't care. They don't care. But God bless Mr. Hobby, his heart and his
So other things that she received, as you can see, the couch, dining set, stove, fridge, bed, medication, clothes, everything, utensils, pots, pan, dresser, everything for the house. There's nothing that you don't need. So, grocery as well, food supply, the list goes on.
yes, ma'am.
Whole heap of money. Whole heap of money. Don't forget the part there. Whole heap of money.
Whole heap of money. God bless you, Mr. Owie. I mean, you live to see many, you don't know what to do for.
So today makes it...
Today is about to be 1 year since we all spoke there. I never knew that I could live in that place. God bless you.
How do you feel now to make such a contribution to this person?
This is one of my biggest achievements, you know, to know that I was able to help her in this way. I mean, for somebody to own their own home, much less a brand new home, you know, that says a lot, you know. So I'm happy that I was a part of it. Very easy. Once you have friends that are willing to help, just reach out to them, and you'll be surprised how, you know, how quick they will come on board and help you out, you know. So my friends, I have to thank them. A lot of my friends came on board and decided to help with this venture.
God bless Mr. Hobby. Respect and venture.
So now that you have watched this video, I want you to leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you think. Now the thing about this video, my viewers and subscribers, is this is a previous video I uploaded in YouTube 6 months ago. Yeah, and I guess many of y'all didn't get to see this video. So I chose to upload this video once again because I think it's important so we can highlight these things, my people, and show how some kids can abandon their parents, their loved ones in time of need. In time of need, my people. And like I said, every time I watch this video, kinda, you know, get to me and think, you know what I say. But it just show the realness in life. Show the realness that the elderly goes through. You know, you never know what your life may turn out to be and who will be there for you when you're in need at an elderly age. So I hope you, the viewers and subscribers, find this video very interesting and very enlightenment. To you, the viewers and subscribers all over the world, and especially in Jamaica, because this is where this took place. So, you know, like I said, people, leave a comment in the comment section. Give this video as much likes and share this video with those who need to see this video. That's all I'm asking you. Give this video a like and share this video with those that need to see this video. And if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Turn the notification bell on, select all, and you know, continue to support Jamaica Vibes Entertainment TV. And with that said, people, walk good and God bless us all. See you in the next video.